After avian influenza, also called bird flu, was confirmed in Kerala, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, high alert has been sounded in Maharashtra and other states. So let us understand what is avian influenza or commonly called bird flu. Bird flu is a viral infection that can infect not only birds but also humans and other animals. Most forms of the virus are restricted to birds. H5N1 is the most common form of bird flu. It is deadly to birds and can easily affect humans and other animals that come in contact with a carrier. The virus was first reported in geese in China in 1996. Again China. Since then, outbreaks have been reported periodically across the world. India reported the presence of the virus in Nandarbar, Maharashtra in 2006. The H5N1 virus can jump a species and infect humans from the infected bird. The first case of H5N1 infection in humans was reported in Hong Kong in 1997 when a poultry farm worker caught the infection from infected birds. The high mortality rate in humans, almost 60%, is the main cause of concern about the spread of bird flu. In its present form, human-to-human infection is not known. Human infections have been reported only among people who handled infected birds or carcasses. Symptoms include typical flu-like symptoms, that is cough, diarrhea, respiratory difficulties, fever over 100.4 degree Fahrenheit or 38 degree Celsius, headache, muscle ache, running nose, sore throat. H5N1 occurs naturally in wild waterfowl, but it can spread easily to domestic poultry. The disease is transmitted to humans through contact with infected bird feces, nasal secretions or secretions from the mouth or eyes. Interestingly, retail rates of unbranded chicken dropped by Rs 15 to Rs 20 per kilo as consumers started to stay away and poultry farmers begin to dispose birds in a hurry. Although consuming properly cooked poultry or eggs from infected birds does not transmit the bird flu. It is well known that prevention is better than cure. That's why consider taking these precautionary measures to help prevent infection with bird flu, especially if you are traveling to any region with an outbreak. Number 1 is practice good hygiene, such as washing your hands regularly with warm water and soap, especially before and after handling foods. You can also use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer at least 60% while traveling as you were doing it to prevent COVID. Avoid open-air markets or contacts with live birds and poultry. Third, do not eat undercooked or raw poultry or duck. Number 4, avoid eating raw eggs. Number 5, talk to your doctor about a flu shot before traveling. It won't protect you from bird flu but may help reduce the risk of infection with birds and human flu viruses. If you got the information you were seeking, then please hit that like button and subscribe to VEarth. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Stay safe, stay healthy.